So I don't know about you, and if you've been following along, I've been trying to give you some best practices for top producers and how to kind of prevent you from cold calling, because I think that most people, even whether they're realtors or not, it isn't something you love doing. So my goal is to give you some best practices for how to get business. And if you're not on Google and you don't have a Google presence, I want you to really think about that. Where do you go when you're looking for something? Probably Google. You probably put some keywords in and you search for something and you look for reviews. So my best practice tip for top producers is to check Google your name, see what comes up, get reviews. Your customers should be raving fans for your business. Your goal should be to do 5-star service, white glove service. And with that, they should want to provide a review for you because you've helped them, and generally they want to help you. The best thing I can think to say is, can you do me a favor? And if start with that, and then just say, is there any way if I sent you a link to your email or your phone, could you please provide me, a 5-star review or a couple of sentences about what to say? And generally speaking, they're happy to do it because, let's be honest, real estate usually has a couple of bumps in the road. And if you were able to help them navigate that bump with it, make it kind of feel smooth, they're happy to help you. People want to help people that help them. So do me a favor, Google yourself. Set up a Google My Business page. You're going to have, they've changed what you do. I think now you have to do a video of your office. But it's really important that people can find you on the internet. So Google yourself, set up a Google My Business, start asking for reviews. And from that, you will get business. When I was selling real estate, I got so many calls off of my reviews. They can direct call you right from Google. And the other thing I did was I did this thing called answer the phone. I know it might sound strange, but if you have Google reviews and you're answering the phone, who doesn't want customers to call them instead of you calling them? If you have any questions about how to set up your Google My Business, I'm happy to help you. We've been doing it for years. Google yourself so you can skyrocket your business.